Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. So, today I'm here to tell you, or not to tell you, just to show you that how diffusion takes place. So, first of all, you all are very known that diffusion is the intermixing of the molecules from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. So let's see with an appropriate demonstration. As you all know that right now we all are in our homes, so we cannot go to lab, and in our lab different equipments are there by which we can show the experiment very logically. But don't worry, we have everything present in our home by which we can do the demonstration, because we all know that science is everywhere in our everyday life. So let's see the demonstration. As you can see that I have taken 1 glass of water, a deo bottle, and ujala, that cloth dye that we use to put in our white clothes. So let's start the demonstration to see the diffusion. So I am showing you here the liquid diffusion. So for that I have taken 1 glass of water and the ujala that is very easily available in our home. So I will, right now you can see that in the glass there is very clear water. Okay, now what I will do, I will put the few drops of ujala into it. A very few or very small amount you should add. Now see, as you all know that the ujala, that is the cloth dye, is very much in comparison to the water, because water is the transparent liquid. Okay, now you can see that the color is very slowly spreading all over the water, and once a time will come when these water, the water containing the glass will completely convert into blue in color, which shows the proper diffusion. Right now we are not having so much enough time, so I am just stirring the water so that it will get very easily and very quickly. So here you can see earlier the watercolor was white and transparent, and after diffusion it becomes totally blue in color. So it means that the liquid diffusion is being taken place by using a very small equipment that we have in our home, the ujala and a glass of water. So this is the example for liquid diffusion, the movement of the ions and molecules, or the intermixing of the molecules from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Now second, that this one is the deo bottle. So in gaseous, what happens in gaseous diffusion? Again the same process, higher to lower. So if we will spray, see, I have sprayed. So but I have sprayed in one corner of my room, but my whole room has started fragrance of it. Again it is very clear that the diffusion in gaseous is much more quicker and faster than in comparison to the liquid. So the whole room will start fragrance of the same fragrance, same aroma, same scent. Okay, now the third one, that is the solid. So right now I don't have chalk, so you must have known that whenever you were in the last day, whether it's of winter vacation or summer vacation, at last day you wrote on the board everything like happy holiday and like this and this and this. So when you come back after reopening the school, you must have seen that the whole board becomes translucent, and the area where you have not written anything, that particular area also become a very translucent shade of the chalk powder. This is the example for the solid diffusion. I hope my demonstration, as we all are in home, will work for you all to understand the diffusion. Okay, so okay, stay at your home, stay safe. Okay, have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.